Data is changing the face of modern manufacturing. But are you making the most of it? Like most manufacturers, are you struggling to turn data into bottom-line wealth? Poor data management and the inability to harness data come with a huge price tag. Bad data can cost you up to 25% of your business revenue. Missed opportunities, inefficient operations, and delays are only part of the story, but it doesn't have to be this way. With the right processes and tools, you can turn data into a strategic asset. Discover more insights in our latest point of view paper. Explore how Trigent's clients transformed their data management processes to cut down production times, improve product quality, and boost profits. Get a peek into how Trigent's intelligent data solutions can help fuel your journey to industry leadership. Read our POV now.